Hello, in this video we're going to introduce how to add, delete, copy and paste and convert the nodes. So first we load an experiment as demonstration. So here we go to one of the nodes, which is the pack 18. So if we want to add one node, you can see all the buttons here. So you can, for example, load vector and do the digestion, do the job verification, do the PCR, modification, ligation, screening. So you just need to select one node and click any of them to add a node in the flowchart. But how to change the source of the node? So for example, this digestion use this plasmid, but you want to change it to pack 18. You select this node and then you can see the operation property here in the dashboard, and there's a source. Click the source, then the screen will turn to slightly blue. Then you can select another source for it. For example, we select this one. If you click the empty space, there'll be no source for it, and you can multiple select to add more sources to this node for digestion. And after selecting, just press enter in the keyboard. Then you have 3 sources for the digestion node. You can probably do equal R1 digestion. You can see a lot of linear fragments because they are from all 3 plasmids. And you can remove the source from them. Just change back to this and press enter. In order to delete the nodes, you first need to select a node. For example, select this one and press the delete button here. It asks you whether you want to delete. Just confirm. If you want to delete multiple nodes, select all of them and click this button. And yes. You can also delete nodes by click Shift Delete in the keyboard and confirm. MCDS try to make the operations easier by giving shortcuts for each operation. So for example, if we want to do PCR, we can press Ctrl E. You can find the shortcut here. Select one node, press Ctrl E, and you want, sorry, that's the digestion. We do PCR, we press Ctrl R, and then we do a digestion, we press Ctrl E, and do a transformation, ligation, Ctrl W. So the shortcuts will make your operation much faster. In order to copy a node, you can select a node and right click and copy group. You can also find the copy group in the experiment menu. So that's the same thing. Or in here, the button copy group and the paste group. So we select this node, copy group, and select this one. Because this node, the digestion node, has a source, so you better select a source and the paste group. Then it will automatically use the one you selected as a source. But in order to control where you paste the node, you can select this one and right click and the paste group. Then the pasted node will show exactly at the mouse cursor. In MCDS, you can also copy and paste a series of operations. For example, you select 3 nodes here, a copy group, and select this node, and right click, paste group. Then you can see all the 3 operations here. That make building the operation or set up the experiment easier. You can copy and paste a existing procedure from another project or from another part of the flowchart. In order to make sure your node is a vector, for example, this is Gibson assembly node. It's not a vector node, but you just want to convert it into a simple vector node. So for example, we can right click and click convert to vector. Then it will turn into a vector node. But anyway, I don't want to change this one. I will copy this one and paste it here and demonstrate it. Right click, convert to vector. Then it convert to vector. It's no longer the Gibson design node. And you can also convert this node into free design. In the free design, you can see the text editor here. You can actually edit the file by adding new nucleotides into it or remove. So after editing, you can also convert it back to a vector node. So that's how you can add, delete, copy, paste, and convert node in MCDS.